Hey guys! Today we're going to be unboxing the all-new C-24 Adidas exercise bike. It has so many features. It's the C-24c. It's a bike, velo, or bicicleta, as most of my friends say. Just a warning, my friends, this is 41 kilograms. So be careful and always have two people carrying it. So here's the seat and some other parts from the bike. Pretty cool. Now let's assemble it. It will take some time, but it's gonna be a sure lot of fun. So we just saw the handlebars. That's for the bottom to put the main pedals and stuff on it, and the wheels are for it. You can move it. This is our head-up display, or our HUD, which basically shows us our stats and everything. There's the 12-volt adapter. It's got everything. Now, here we're going to show the manual. The C-24c Adidas motorcycle. Not motorcycle, blech. It's actually an exercise bike. Velo or bicicleta. Right now, we're going to put the stand onto the bicycle. Now let me tell you the features. First, we have this adjustable seat. This is adjustable by height. Then, this adjustable seat, which I'm gonna put into my setting. Nice and tight. Next, we have the pedals, which have a 9 kilogram flywheel with 32 levels of magnetic resistance. Next, we have these iron things. These are what basically which monitors your heart rate while you're biking. Now, if we come around to the back, we have a USB port, so you can be connected to all of its accessive apps, and another USB port for charging. Now, and last thing, this is also very adjustable as much as you want. And this is the Adidas Bluetooth USB. My bad. And you can just plug it in, and there you have it. You could put your iPad or your phone. Now what I'm holding right here is the 12 volt adapter. So just gonna connect it. Just to make a little beep sound. Now before I start, I can change level. Now if I click this, that is my timer. This changes the level of magnetic resistance. So as I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here it shows the rotations per minute. I must actually lower this a little bit. This is mad heavy. Not showing already. So this is my timer. It shows how many kilometers or so I'm going. That's my heart rate, as I told you. Oh yeah, and for your heart rate, you always gotta keep it on the up. Handles, there's the rotations per minute and the amount of calories I'm burning. The Console app, which I downloaded, you could get it from the Google Play and Apple App Store. So I click Quick Start, which means search to connecting to last device. Start. Now 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going. That. And that's a start stop. You can pause, you can stop. That's your sort of thing. And let's click discard. Yes. Let's go back to interactive. So we have Kino Map and Zwift. Zwift is by far one of my most favorite. It's like a video game, but for cycling. It's amazing. Let's try it out. Okay, so now I've opened Zwift. Let's just put, okay. So now, power source, Adidas, C, close, resistance, close, heart rate, let's go, mail, customize, so don't allow, so I'm gonna put my, now it's asking which bike. Let's do this one. Finish. Recreational. Let's get started. Let's just